Hi guys, welcome back on Tech 8. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to copy Spotify playlist link. First of all, you can open the Spotify application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the Your Library option at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it. Now you can just simply select the playlist that you want to copy the link. I can select this playlist. After selecting the playlist, you can now tap on the three dots at the middle of the screen. Tap on the three dots. And here you can just simply scroll down. Scroll down. Now you will see the option share. Tap on it. And now you can tap on copy link at bottom left corner of the screen. And this is the way you can copy link of the playlist on Spotify. You can share this link to any app or any of your friend, and this is the way you can copy playlist on Spotify. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, try using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes some browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.